Do you like boobies? I like boobies. And for me liking boobies in celebration of Breast Cancer Awareness Month in October, we're making a pink Starburst Martini. What does that consist of? Vanilla vodka, we've got some strawberry lemonade, sugar, strawberries, Starburst, and a shaker. Let's do it for the boobies.
Alright, let's make a syrup. So we're going to take some strawberries, and we're just going to chop those up. Let's take these strawberries. This is what we're going to do to make a syrup. We're going to take some strawberries, going to add some sugar to them, a little bit of water, and we're going to cook that down until you got a syrup.
Okay, we got it on medium-high heat. We're just going to cook this down until it starts syrup consistency.
That's what you're looking for. Put our ice in our shaker. We've got our strawberry syrup that we just made. We're going to do an ounce of that. One ounce. Do 2 ounces of vanilla vodka. We're going to do 2 ounces of pink lemonade. And there you go. Give that a shake. Nice and cold. Beautiful. Alright, so we got some Starburst now. We got a little skewer here. We're just gonna stab into those. Boom.
Looks cool. See how it tastes. It's weird. Tastes like pink Starburst. We did this martini for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So if you can, go support these charities that are offering that. Help donate, whatever you can do to save the boobies. We want to keep them in tip-top shape. So if you like this video, click that thumbs up, hit that subscribe. Please leave in the comments anything that you'd like to see us do or want us to try, and we'll see you next time. Drunk Apron.